Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. Now today we're going to be making some firecrackers. This is a snack that is delicious. If you like a crunch and a little bit of spice, you'll love this recipe. It's super simple. Let me tell you what you're going to need to go ahead and make these firecrackers. You're going to need some garlic powder, some onion powder, some red pepper flakes, some ranch dressing seasoning mix, some black pepper, some olive oil. You're going to need a small bowl to mix it in a little whisk or a fork if you don't have a whisk. You're going to need a couple of sleeves of saltine crackers, and then you're going to need a gallon-size Ziploc bag to mix all this in. Now, I will have all the exact measurements and the directions under the video, so let's go ahead and get this started. All right, we're going to go ahead and put in the olive oil in a bowl. Now you can do this all in the bag. It's just a little easier to mix it in a bowl first, but you can do it that way if you don't want to get the extra dishes out. Now the pepper is just a little, maybe like 1/4 of a teaspoon. And then we're going to put in our other spices. And then we're going to whisk this all up together. And here's where a lot of your heat comes from, is those red pepper flakes. All right, so we're just going to whisk this good. And then we're going to put this in our Ziploc bag. And then we're going to add in our crackers to it. Now, you can easily double this recipe very simply. But I'm just going to make this basic recipe today. All right, now you're going to open your Ziploc bag. Kind of get it as wide as you can. That way you can get this toward the bottom, and it's going to get on the sides, and that's fine. But we're going to coat our crackers in this. Now what you're going to want to do is, once we get these crackers in, we're going to, of course, seal the bag. And then you're going to toss your crackers in this mixture. All right, let's go ahead and get the saltines in. Just dump them in. All right. Now we're going to seal up this bag. And then you're just going to toss back and forth, because you want to coat all the crackers as evenly as you can. Now, the good thing about this is these crackers will last several weeks as long as you have them sealed, if they make it that long, because you'll probably eat them before then. But they will keep as long as you keep your bag sealed up. Then the longer these sit, the better they become, because it'll have time for all the ingredients to get mixed on these crackers. If you're like me, in the afternoon, you just need a little snack to get you through till dinner time. This is a good one you can do. It's not real fattening. Instead of picking up chips or cookie, whatever, get you a few of these, and this will tide you over until dinner. Now, what you're going to want to do is, in about an hour, you're going to want to pick up the bag and just toss them again. And of course, I said the longer they sit, the better these crackers become. So, that's all. There's your firecracker snack. I hope that y'all will try this. I think you'll really enjoy it if you do like a crunchy snack that has a spice to it. And I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications for upcoming videos. I do post every week. I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all so much for watching.